Good morning children. Welcome to MBM classes. Today let us see division of a polynomial. First type 1. Here we are going to divide a monomial by another monomial. For example, minus 20y power 12 divided by 4y power 8. So the first step is to cancel the numbers. So we can cancel these two numbers. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. So my answer is minus 5 y power 12 upon y power 8. Here you are able to observe the bases of the variables are same. So I can subtract these powers. So this can be written as minus 5 y raised to the power of 12 minus 8. This is equal to minus 5 y raised to the power of 4. So always first cancel the numerical terms, then you see the variables of same base and subtract their exponents. Now moving on to example 2. Here you are given 3x square whole cube into 3y upon 3x whole cube into 3x whole square. First we are going to remove this bracket. So while removing the bracket, you have to expand the first bracket over here. 3, first let us take the power 3 to this number. 3 cube. 3 cube is written as 3 into 3 into 3. And this x square whole cube is written as 3 into 6. So x power 6 into 3y upon, again 3 cube is written as 3 into 3 into 3. And again x is written as x cube. Here 3 square. So 3 into 3 into x square. So now if any term is getting cancelled, you can cancel it. So whatever is left out, we are going to put it as in a single bracket of like variable. So let us put x in separate bracket and y in separate bracket. So this will be equal to x power 6 upon 3 plus 2 is 5. So I can write it as x power 5 into y. Again this is equal to x raised to the power of, subtract bases are same. So you subtract the power 6 minus 5 into y. So my answer is x into y. And in the denominator 3 is also there. So I have to write this 3 also into 3. And now my answer will be xy upon 3. Let us move on to example number 3. 5a square b square whole square into minus 100 b cube upon 5 square b whole square. So first we have to remove this bracket by squaring this number and squaring the denominator over here. So what is 5 square? So 5 square can be written as 5 square or 5 into 5 also. Now a square can be written as a power 4 into b square whole square. So it is also b power 4 and this is minus 100 into b power 3 upon 5 power 2 whole power 2. So it is 5 power 4 into b power 2. Now I am going to group the numbers together and the variables together in separate brackets. So first in the first bracket write all the numbers. 5 power 2 into minus 100 divided by 5 power 4. Now in the second bracket write the first variable a. So I can write a power 4. So you check whether any more a is there in the numerator and in the denominator. So only a power 4 is there. So I am going to close the bracket over here. In the denominator there is no a power 4. I am just going to write the number as 1. Next bracket I am going to take for the next variable b. So it is b power 4 into b power 3 upon b power 2. Now you can write this as 5 power 2 into this 100 can be simplified as 10 into 10. So minus 10 into 10 upon 5 power 4 into a power 4, and this can be simplified as b power 4 plus 3 is 7 divided by b power 2. So 5 square, again you can simplify this 10 as 5 into 2. So minus 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 divided by 5 power 4 into a power 4 into b power 7 minus 2. Here I can further simplify this as minus 5 power 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 into 4 into so into 2 into 2 is 4 divided by 5 power 4 into a power 4 into b power 5. So this can 5 power 4 can be cancelled. So my answer will be minus 4 a power 4 b power 5. Now we will move on to type 2. We are going to divide a polynomial by a monomial. 7a plus 7b by 7. Here this is a polynomial and this is a monomial. So now for this we can divide each term by 7. So 7a upon 7 plus 7b upon 7. So this 7 and 7 will get cancelled. I will get a plus again 7 and 7 will get cancelled. I will get b. So my answer is a plus b. Let me see another example. 6x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square by 3x square. Again I am going to divide each term of the polynomial by 3x square. So 6x power 4 by 3x square plus 3x cube by 3x square plus 3x square by 3x square. So first you cut the constants. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 2 into x power, I said the variables are same, that is the bases are same. So I can subtract the powers. 4 minus 2 plus 3 and 3 will get cut. So I can write x raised to the power of, bases are same, I can subtract the powers. 3 minus 2 plus again now you can cut 3x square and 3x square, but don't forget to write 1 over here. So this is equal to 2 into x power 2 plus x plus 1. So whenever you are dividing a polynomial by a monomial, divide it by each term of the polynomial. First you cut the constant, then you apply the powers of exponents to the variables. So we'll see one more example. Example number 3. This is 35a power 5 upon minus 7a square plus 28a power 4 b square minus 7a square minus 14a cube b cube upon 7a square. So first I said you can cut the numerals, numbers. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. So I can write, take the sign to the numerator. I can write 5 a raised to the power of 5 minus 2. Here 7 ones are 7, 7 4s are 28. So I can write minus 20 minus 4 a raised to the power of 4 minus 2 b power 2. Again minus 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So I can write minus 2a raised to the power of 3 minus 2 and b power 3. So this is equal to minus 5a power 3 minus 4a square d square minus 2ab cube. So this polynomial is simplified as a trinomial over here. So slowly you have to first cut the numbers, then apply the powers of exponents to the variables. If the bases are same, we can subtract the powers.